Before bakeries, before packaged snacks, there were simple homemade treats wrapped with love. Today, we are making one of Goa's beautiful traditional treasures, Holle, lovingly wrapped in jackfruit leaves and gently steamed until every bite is soft, aromatic, and filled with sweet coconut and jaggery. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. In this bowl, I have taken 1 and 3/4 cup of Goan parboiled rice. I am washing it 2 times with plain water. Now I will soak it overnight with plain water. In the morning, drain the water and rinse it again with plain water. Next, we'll transfer it into a mixer jar. I'm adding less than 2/3 cups of water. We want a thick paste, so add water as required. You can see how thick the paste is. Now we'll transfer this rice paste into a bowl. We will add salt as required and mix well. We will keep this aside for now and prepare the stuffing. Place a kadai on medium flame. Now I am adding 1/4 cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery and 3/4 cup of chopped palm jaggery. Add 1/4 teaspoon of clarified butter. Mix well. Stir until the jaggery melts. Next goes in 3 cups of grated coconut. Add salt as required and mix well. I turned off the flame. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You may add cardamom powder as per your taste. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts. If you don't want to add cashew nuts, you can skip it. We'll mix this well. Fresh coconut and jaggery have always been one of the most beautiful combinations in Goan cooking. The stuffing is ready. We'll keep this aside to cool. Here I have taken jackfruit leaves. I washed them with plain water and I wiped them. Now we will cut off the stems. Fold the jackfruit leaf into a cone. Insert a toothpick at the edge. This is one of the most beautiful parts of this recipe, folding the jackfruit leaves into delicate cones. Long before baking paper and molds became common, nature itself provided everything needed to prepare beautiful food. Watching these cones come together is a gentle reminder of how resourceful and creative traditional cooking has always been. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Apply the rice paste. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. Place the coconut and jaggery filling in it. Place the rice paste over it to seal it. I poured water into the steamer. I will cover it with the lid and let the water boil. Carefully place the holle in it. I made 19 holles with this recipe. Steaming is perhaps the quietest part of the recipe, but it's also where the transformation happens. Slowly and gently the mixture cooks. It becomes soft, tender, and beautifully satisfying. Sometimes the best things happen when we allow time to do its work. Steam the holle for 15 to 20 minutes. I steam the holle for 15 minutes. Carefully removing each holle from the steamer always feels satisfying. The jackfruit leaves have done their job beautifully, gently holding everything together while sharing their natural aroma with the rice. Nature has always been a wonderful partner in traditional cooking, And this recipe is a perfect example of that. As the steam slowly fills the pot, it's hard not to feel excited. Traditional recipes often ask us to slow down, and perhaps that's one of the reasons they feel so meaningful. In a world where everything happens quickly, recipes like Holle gently remind us that some things simply cannot be rushed. They become beautiful because they are given time. Unwrapping each Holle feels almost like a precious little gift. Inside is a warm rice dumpling filled with coconut jaggery. Every bite celebrates the beauty of tradition, family, and homemade food prepared with patience and love. As I look at this finished Holle, I am reminded that the most beautiful recipes are often the simplest. They don't depend on expensive ingredients or modern equipment. They depend on care, tradition, and the joy of making something with your own hands. The soft texture, the sweetness of jaggery, the richness of fresh coconut, and the gentle flavor of cardamom come together so beautifully. Nothing overpowers the other. Every ingredient has its place, creating a simple balance that's comforting rather than complicated. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking, sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.